Hi guys, look what I did. I went to the Dollar Tree and went to Walmart and got some crafty stuff. And I thought maybe you'd like to see what I got. You could get some inspiration and maybe go, oh, I need that. So you can put it on your list. And maybe you could help me with some ideas. So, I see what I want right away, and I got this on purpose. I needed more bins. Basically, I got this from the Dollar Tree. It's one of those foldable, fold-down bins, and I need that. So I'm going to open it right now. I mean, who can't use more storage, right? You gotta have for all your craft goodies. And yes, I'm a craft hoarder. I admit. I'm gonna put that just like that. I'm gonna put that right over here because a lot of this stuff is going to go in there. So, and I got one of these little, I have an idea and I'm still trying to put it together. So, but I got one of the little drawer organizers wire. I got some of this baker's twine, different colors, red, blues, dark blue, and I think I got two, yep. I got two of those, and I was after the red and white because I do not have any. And I got frames, and these are the 5x7s, just plain. You know me, I'm a plain. If I want it color, I paint it. But I got 4 of those. I think I actually got more. There's another bag over there. But that's one bag. Oh, yes, I bought bottles. But who could say no to these? Can you see these? They are the cutest. They look like the old-fashioned milk bottles, and I love the way they feel. And these ones will probably not get painted. In fact, for the idea that I bought them for, they will not. But they are just so darn adorable. I think I got 4 of those. There's 2. 3. And yes, 4. Look at that. Something you don't see very often. Newspaper. You do not see newspaper very often anymore. Alright, and I got the table scatter. These are the little plastic rock hearts. Plastic hearts. And I got them in the light pink and the red. And that's from there. Alright, and yep, more frames. I did get some ribbon. I got this dark red with the white hearts. And I got the white with the red hearts for Valentine's. I still have a couple Valentine DIYs that I have running around in my head. And I bought a stapler. I could not find mine, but for $1. Comes with the staples, little purple stapler. Thought it would be perfect. And I did get some more frames, like you see here. 2 4x6 plain black. And this one here I don't know if you can see that, but it's like copper. And not that I really needed it, but oh my gosh, I just love the color and the style of it. It very, very vintage. So there's an 8x10 of that, and then I bought 2 8x10s, and these are the wood with the inside part is a copper color. And I got 2 of those. And yes, I've got a series of frame activities, projects that I'm going to be working on. Okay, that's my Dollar Tree. And then we headed over to Walmart. And Walmart you can go crazy into. And ta-da, I did remember to get my white paint that I was out of. And I got some very wide of the burlap. It's 10 foot and it's 5.5 inches wide. I got some of that. I got a piece of the black craft felt, just one black piece. It comes in handy for everything. You never throw away your scraps, but after a while even the scraps disappear because it's so used. And I got 4 of these. I have an idea. And they're just the miniature. It doesn't say how big, but they can't be more than 3x3. Just mini canvases. And so many ideas for these. And measuring tape. I have all kinds of these kind of tapes. But I didn't have a cloth one that you could actually bend, fold, and mutilate without hurting it. I finally picked up a cloth measuring tape. I got some heart buttons. There's 9 of the little red buttons. I got some of these. These are cap assortments, and there's 2 different sizes. They have a small one and a medium. They say it's large. It's not very large. And I got some Avery key tags because, like I said, I've got these ideas stuck in my head and I have to do them or they will be there forever. And I picked up a couple swatches of cloth. These are the fat quarters, and these ones are all the same color. They're a pink, but this one is like a calico. This is a really light pink with white polka dots, and this is a dark pink with polka dots. I got those. And one more bag. And this is the fun bag. Oh, and I got some cupcake holders, 150 baking cups. I love to bake, but I bought these more for a quick and easy craft DIY tutorial, last minute thing. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different styles in there, all basically the same color, but I picked those up. And I got these 20 little resealable bags. They're just small, and they have these Valentine's already on them. And I'm pretty sure you know what I'm going to do with those, because I bought candy. I bought the Conversation Hershey Kisses, and they come with the Conversation Sweet Messages on every piece. I got the Valentines, which means they're pink, red, and white, pink, red, pink, and white. They're Valentine colors, but they're just regular M&Ms. I got the Hershey's Extra Creamy Solid Milk Chocolate Hearts. I needed some more candy hearts. Who doesn't? I got the white cheesecake. Never had them. Wanted to try them. Good excuse, Valentine's Day coming up. Yeah, these might not get into a tutorial. You never know. And of course I got some of the dark red. And these I've never tried either. They're extra creamy milk chocolate filled with strawberry cream. That's different. For me, that's different. I have not tried these. I will be trying these. So, but I needed some candy hearts. It's always fun. I am one of these people that I love to try new things, including food, and candy's considered food. So that is my haul, my Dollar Tree Walmart haul. So I ended up with frames, bottles, paint, a lot of candy, ideas basically, and of course burlap. You can't go anywhere without getting burlap, and some frames. So right here I know of at least 4 DIYs that I'm going to be doing, and with the amount of stuff, probably 6 or 7. So, and all this came from the Dollar Tree and from Walmart. So if you saw anything in here that you might like, run down, pick it up. So I hope you had a great day. I know I did. I know it was super cold for me today, but yeah, rain, shine, storm, whatever, you're gonna go shopping. So I hope you had a good day. Yeah, I know I did. So I hope you got a little bit of inspiration. Maybe the shopping bag. Sorry about that part. But you have a great day. And I will see you soon.